Hi, my name is William Sims, and I'm going to show you Machine Code Games' latest project, Hansa Teutonica, a conversion of a popular board game for our multi-touch table system. I'm going to start by launching it here with our launcher. Switch it to full screen. The instructions are built in. I'm going to assume for this video that you already know how to play Hansa Teutonica, and I'm just going to show you how to play with the game on our system. But you can review the rules here. I've made about 9 pages of rules. You can go through those to refresh your memory on how to play the game. I'm going to have 3 players join. I'm going to make them blue, yellow, and red. And start the game. So, we're going to start by placing pieces. So there's an option of menu buttons down here at the bottom: collect income, place piece, move pieces, claim road, and in turn. So we're going to click place piece. It's asking for a type because in our supply we have 1 merchant and 5 traders. So I'm going to click on the merchant and click here. And then we're going to place piece, and I don't have an option, so there's no arrows, and you just click. And then when you're done, you hit in turn. There's a little voice reminder to remind you that you have no actions. Yellow is going to do the same thing, but there's a shortcut you can use instead of place piece. You can just click on a house, and if you have a choice, it brings up a little menu asking you which piece you want to place. And then you're done. Red is just going to act as a spoiler and place a merchant there and a trader here, and end his turn. Blue now wants to displace. He could hit place piece and click on that, or he can just click on the house. You can see red piece moved over here. It says a place piece. He gets this plus 2 from his stock pile, his bad pile, to place on the board according to the rules. And now blue's going to claim this road. He hits claim road, selects one of the valid roads, and then you'll see he has 3 options. He can finish early, he can build this office here, or he can take this upgrade, which you can see it flashing here, and a targeting reticle on his action track. You can click on either one of these to upgrade them, or click on the office to build there. We're taking the upgrade. Blue now has 3 actions, and so we're going to have him work on getting a bonus tile. Let's do this one.
You have no actions.
Yellow is going to displace red. Red will then replace his pieces. And now yellow is going to claim this road. Now instead of hitting claim road, there's a shortcut you can use, which is to put 1 finger on a house and then tap with another. It's the same as hitting claim road and then clicking on that road. You can see he can build on either of these offices. He could get this upgrade with income, or he can finish early. He's actually going to build this office in Hamburg. And then end his turn. Red would like to get another action, and so is going to work on this. He's going to do that by moving pieces. Now he could either hit move pieces, click on the pieces he wants to move, and then place them where he wants to go. Or, and I will undo that move, he can drag them off, and then just tap from there on. You can see I have 2 different types, so now when I place, it's going to ask me what type do I want to place first, and then second. Red has another action, so he'll just finish out that track, and end his turn. Blue is still working on that tile over there, so he's actually going to take income first. I know that sounds weird, but it'll make more sense here in a second. Yellow is now going to work on the Coelin table, and so he's going to need a disk to do that properly. Red is now going to get his extra action.
3 actions.
And now he's going to claim this road, where he's going to get the orange privilege. You can see a 1 just came down from Hamburg to the yellow player. That's the point he got for owning that, for controlling that city. And you can see on the left he has 1 point, and his point marker moved down 1. At the same time, on the other side, he has 4 points. That's if we were to do in-game scoring right now, it would say he has 4 points. It allows you to see who's winning without having to do a complex calculation in the middle of a game. Red's going to in turn, he's just going to click on the flag to do that as a shortcut. Blue's now going to collect this, build an office. You can see the tile moved over here, and you can see he has a total of 1 tile. There's a little ×1 underneath this. You can click on it to open it up. Now you can see he has used none, and he has 1 remove 3. For fun, we'll go ahead and use it by clicking on it. And we'll just remove this one red. We could remove this yellow, but we'll just finish early so that yellow can work on the Coelen track. Now when blue ends his turn, which we'll just end it early, you can see he has to replace that tile. And so he can put it on any valid road according to the rules. So we'll just have him place it on that road. Yellow, working on the Coelen table. We'll just quickly get back to yellow and finish this out. So you can see yellow now can finish early. He could build this office over here, or he could build on this Coelen table. Now if yellow had more privileges, you would see more targeting reticles along here, so he could select whichever one he could currently build, but he can only do white, so he'll select that. And now you can see yellow would get 11 points at the end of the game. My final thing I'd like to show you is the help. It has 3 tabs and a close. If you hit the close, it just closes it. The help tab shows you the 3 ways the game could end, the shortcuts for quickly manipulating the pieces on the board without having to use the menu buttons. The score tab shows you how you score points during the game and how you score points at the end of the game. And the bonus tab shows you the 6 bonus tiles, how to use them, and what upgrade they give you. And that is how you play Hansa Teutonica with our multi-touch system. I thank you for watching our video.